Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find company reviews on Indeed. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Indeed app, and after that you have to click on the three lines at the top of the screen, and the second option is the company reviews. So this option is really helpful, because if you know that you want to apply uh, for a job at a company, you can find reviews about that company. And yeah, so you will find out some really helpful information. Maybe you will change your mind if you read some of the reviews. And yeah, so it's first hand information which is really helpful. So let's say that Apple and all right, city, um, Los Angeles, find companies, and you can see here some of the Apple jobs. Let's click on the first one, and here are some information about the company. All right, job, salaries, benefit, rating, and here are the reviews about the company. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.